Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to manage mature content settings on your Steam account so you can customize your gaming experience and make sure it fits your personal preferences perfectly. Whether you want to filter out certain games or just have more control over what you see, this guide has you covered. First, let's get started by opening your Steam app. You can launch it from your desktop or applications folder depending on your device. Once it's open, you'll see the familiar Steam interface. Next, log in to your account. Look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login option. Enter your Steam username and password carefully, or simply click to log in if your credentials are already saved. Once signed in, you'll be taken to your main Steam dashboard where you can manage your games, friends, and settings. Now, let's access your profile. Click on your profile name in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Here, select Store Preferences. This is the section where you can fine-tune your Steam account and control what type of content is shown to you. Inside Store Preferences, scroll down to Mature Content Filtering. This is where the magic happens. You'll see several checkboxes that allow you to customize the content you see. Depending on your comfort level, you can check or uncheck these boxes to either hide or display mature content. This applies to your store page, recommendations, and other Steam features. And that's it. By adjusting these settings, you now have full control over your Steam experience. You can always return to these options and tweak them as your preferences change. I hope this guide helps you make your Steam experience exactly how you like it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of my tutorials for tips on navigating digital platforms like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!